Stop repeating yourself to AI. In the next 2 minutes, you'll build a reusable workflow for Claude and ChatGPT. Let's go. In Claude, first make sure code execution and file creation is enabled under Settings and Capabilities. Skills are available on free, pro, max, team, and enterprise plans. Every Claude skill is a focused folder containing at least a SKILL.md file. Ask Claude to draft one for a repeatable task. For example, help me create a skill that reviews audit working papers for completeness. Define when it should trigger, the steps it must follow, and the output you expect. Then review the instructions, add any reference files or scripts, and package the skill folder as a zip file. Open Customize, select Skills, choose Add, and upload the package. Enable it, start a fresh chat, and give Claude a real task. If the skill matches, Claude loads it automatically. Claude's side, done. In ChatGPT, the closest no-code equivalent is a Custom GPT. If you are in an eligible business, enterprise, or EDU workspace with permission, open the GPTs area and select Create. Choose the configuration view. Give the GPT a clear name and description. Write specific instructions. They define how it behaves in every conversation. Add realistic conversation starters, upload reference material as knowledge, and enable only the capabilities it genuinely needs. Test it in the preview pane with a real task. Refine anything unclear. Your draft saves as you work. When it's ready, select Create, then choose the sharing option permitted by your workspace. Recap. Claude. Enable code execution, create the skill folder, upload, and test. ChatGPT. Create, configure, test, and share. 2 minutes, 1 repeatable workflow, and far less prompting. Follow for more practical AI tutorials.